Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Am I audible to everybody? Everything is clear, no issues with the audio or the video, right, guys? Good, great, amazing. Yes, Shukreet Kaur, I actually forgot to give you guys the assets in our yesterday's class. But in today's class, I will give it to you in the next few minutes itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? Well, I'll be fine with everybody. Please let me know. Yesterday, I forgot to give you guys the assets, right? The images and everything. Today, I'll give you guys in the first few minutes itself, so you don't have to worry about that, guys. Okay? How you got more knowledge? By practice, by experience. सर कोड भी दे दीजिए स्मार्ट बनता है नहीं 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 देंगे स्मार्ट बनती है ओके सॉरी डिडंट सी दैट सर आज आपके लिंक सेंड नहीं किया आई विल सेंड इट इन द नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स इटसेल्फ डू नॉट वरी कोमल गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन गुड इवनिंग हाउ आर यू फीलिंग आई एम फीलिंग नॉट सो गुड बट life goes on, right? You seem more energetic today. So today a few things happened good with me. So first of all, my dog was also ill for the past 2 days, but today she's all good. So I'm very happy about that. And yeah, so like that is the one of the reasons why I'm much more happy today. Will we have two attendance today also? That will depend upon my mood. Okay, that will depend upon my mood. My dog passed today. I'm very sorry for that, Harsh. I am able to understand because I have one dog, three cats, so I am able to understand how much a pet actually means to us. So I'm really very sorry for and my condolences for the same as well. Okay, sir, मैंने कॉलेज में हूँ और बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने होते हैं और मैं कोडिंग पे ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ क्या करूँ the Koreans, everybody has a lot of subjects in college. That's not an excuse. Like you have to find time. Usually, what I suggest. So, guys, okay, how many of you guys face this particular problem that I am in college right now. I have so much assignment in college, so many subjects in college. I'm not getting enough time to practice coding. I'm not getting enough time to study for my placements itself. What, like, are you guys facing this particular problem or like you are like, yeah, like, these are kids' problem, man. Okay, are you guys facing such type of problems, guys? Please let me know. Yes, like you are having a lot of subjects in colleges, you are having a lot of assignments in college, you're not able to get enough time to dedicate towards your coding itself or towards your practice itself. That is a problem that you guys are facing. So look into my eyes, okay, and let me know one thing very truthfully because I was also a college student, guys. I'm not like I did not just like came out of my mom and I was like, okay, I'm getting into Google. No, that did not happen with me. Okay, so I was also in college. I was not a very bright student. I had 6.8 GPA in my first year. 6.7 or 6.8. Okay, that was shit. But that was my CGPA in my first year of college itself. So you can easily understand that I was not a very bright student in college. Look into my eyes and tell me one thing very frankly. How many of you guys actually go into college classes and actually study? How many of you guys go into college, sit in the classes and actually study? And please do not give me that crap that मैं तो पढ़ता है कॉलेज के क्लास में ठीक है बकचोदी ना करो ठीक है मैं भी है ना कॉलेज से पढ़ा हुआ आदमी हूं no one, no one goes into class in college and sit right over there, listen to the professors, learn right over there. Okay, nobody. And if you do that, and then also you're not able to get time to coding, then you are an idiot. ठीक है तब तुम्हें साइकाट्रिस्ट की जरूरत है You don't need my help. You need a psychiatrist to help you study. Okay, I can't do shit about you. So don't lie to me. I am also a college, I have been a college student. I know very well what a college student does in class. There will be three things that we will be doing. First, sleeping. Okay, that is what I used to do. Second, when I got a girlfriend, spend time with my girlfriend in the class. Third, play PUBG with my friends. Okay, that is what we used to do sitting in the back with my friends itself. And that is when I realized that is one of the biggest reasons why my CGPA in my first year was 6.7. Okay, everybody had good CGPA. My CGPA was 6.7 itself. Now I was in a big shock of my life because this CGP is not going to get me placement. That is what my professors told me. I was like, oh shit, what am I going to do? By all the like all my dreams of getting into big tech companies, earning a lot of money is gone. Okay, what am I going to do? So I called up my brother. My big brother at that point of time was working in Microsoft. So I called him up and I was like, hey, dude, like I fucked it up. I have 6.7 GPA right now. Okay, I don't know what to do right now. He told me one thing. First of all, if somebody is telling you that you are going to get placements through your CGPA, show them the middle finger. Until and unless you are from an IIT, NIT, okay, you are from a very good college where Google, Microsoft, Amazon is coming to your college for placements. Okay, if you are from a very good college, please listen to me very carefully. If you're from a very good college where Google, Microsoft, Amazon is coming to your college for placements, then your CGPA matters a little bit. Anything above 7 or 8 CGPA is very good. You don't need to maintain 9 CGPA or 10 CGPA. You are actually wasting a lot of time right over there. If you are not from a good college, if you are not from a good college, you're getting TCS, Infosys, Wipro in your college itself. In that particular case, your CGPA has zero value. Zero. Not even a single percent value your CGPA is having anywhere throughout the entire placement process. Nothing. So if you are from BCA, you are from BBA, you are from BTech, you are from mechanical, civil, chemical, but you are not from a good college, it does not matter. Your CGPA does not matter. First of all, that. Second, if you still want to maintain your CGPA as well as you want to study for your placements, you want to get time for coding as well. Okay. So listen to me very carefully. This is going to get you the answer that you're looking for. In your classroom, okay, this is what I used to do. If you're telling me that as an engineering student you are actually spending the entire year studying for your exams itself, I'm not an idiot. Okay, you make a fool of your parents by telling these things to them. मैं बहुत पढ़ रहा है, मैं बहुत पढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, मेरे को मत बता. मैं चूतिया नहीं है. मैं I have been to college. I am able to understand very clearly what a student does in college. You go and tell your parents all these crap that I'm studying a lot. Okay, and मैं तो पढ़ ही रहा है ना. Don't tell me this crap. ठीक है. No engineering student, BCA student, BBA student, any type of student that I have ever seen in my life actually studies throughout the entire year. They study one day before the exam if they are like me, or some a little bit more dedicated will study 1 week before the exam. That's it. That is usually the style of studying that is accepted in colleges. 1 week before is the maximum that you are going to spend. ठीक है. So don't give me that crap. मैं तो बहुत पढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, तुम चूतिया बना रहा है और खुद को बना रहा है, किसी और को नहीं. किसी और को नहीं. At the end of the day, nobody else believes you, only you yourself is believing that. Next thing that you have to do is when you're going to, so what I used to do is, you need to understand if your aim is to get into big MNCs, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase, Goldman Sachs, you need to do data structures and algorithms. Without that, you are not going to get into these companies. You be the best web developer in the entire country. Leave the country, man. You be the best web developer in the entire world. You be the best at AI in the entire world. You are not going to get a job opportunity or an internship opportunity in any of these companies. Keep that in mind. Okay? If you guys believe this, I can give you an example as well. How many of you guys have a MacBook? How many of you guys have a MacBook, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys have a MacBook? Please, this is very important, guys. Take a listen to me very carefully. I've started teaching you guys. This is important. Please pay attention to this. Okay, you guys don't have a MacBook, no issues in that. Do you know that in big tech companies, they give MacBooks to their employees to work upon? If you get into Google, they gave us MacBooks to work upon. Microsoft also gives MacBooks to work upon. Amazon gives MacBooks to work upon. Then you are having your Cisco gives MacBooks to work upon. You can go on LinkedIn, just search for a particular person who is working there or has recently joined. You will be able to see that they get MacBooks to work upon. Now, as a developer, when you are working with tech, you have to take care of so like I said, HTML version 5, CSS version 3, JavaScript version 6. So there are different versions for every single software that you guys are going to use at any particular point of time. Every single software, React has will have its own particular version, Node will have its own version, backend will have its own version, your database will have its own version, your DevOps will have its own version, your cloud computing will have its own version. Every single technology that you're going to use in your project will have its own version. So you have to maintain them, you have to install them, you have to uninstall them, you have to do all this crap. Now in a MacBook, you use a particular software called as Homebrew to do this. You use a particular software called as Homebrew to do this, guys. Okay, Homebrew is a very important software that comes very handy. So think about it. Let's take Google for an example. When I was working at Google, there were 60,000 engineers in Google. 60,000 engineers in Google. Each of these engineers were almost working on a MacBook itself on a daily basis. On a daily basis, they were using this software called as Homebrew. So do you really think that the person who created this software Homebrew, the person who created this software Homebrew will be a very, very, very intelligent guy? What is your thought on this? Will be an excellent developer itself. Will be an excellent developer itself. What do you think about it? Like 60,000 software engineers at Google are using his software every single day. Without his software, their work wouldn't be completed as well. They won't be able to complete their daily work itself. That software he has built, the entire company, Google, is dependent upon that particular software. That person will be an excellent software engineer. That person applied for a job role at Google. That person applied for a job role, entry level job role at Google, and he got rejected. He applied under an anonymous name itself. He didn't use his original name. He applied at Google as an anonymous particular person itself, and he got rejected. Why? Because he didn't knew how to invert a binary tree. Very basic DSA question. Very basic DSA question. He's an excellent software engineer. He has built software that multiple companies are dependent upon, but he still didn't get selected into Google because he didn't knew data structures and algorithms. So first of all, if you are learning any kind of programming, I'm not just talking about web development. If you're learning, let's say AI, you're learning machine learning, you're learning data analytics, you're learning data science, you're learning front-end web development, back-end web development, DevOps, cloud computing itself. You're learning, let's say, anything, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, anything that involves programming. If your aim is to get into a very big company and you're not learning, you're not practicing data structures and algorithms, so please forget that dream that you guys are having, that dream world that you guys are living in, that bubble that you guys are living in, that bro, I am going to get into Google, Microsoft and Amazon. ठीक है, मैं 2-3 बकचोद वाले प्रोजेक्ट्स बना लूंगा और मैं तो गूगल में सीधा पहुंच जाऊंगा. नहीं होता भाई. ऐसे ही गूगल में लोग पहुंचने लगे तो सब बच्चे गूगल पहुंच जाएंगे. नहीं होता ऐसे. So first try to understand this. Whatever you guys are doing, ठीक है, you need to have a flow for that. कि भाई what to do to get into the right company. How many of you guys know in which year of your college do you get placements? चलो यहाँ से चालू करते हैं यार. I think so many of you guys just don't know anything. How many of you guys, let me know this, ठीक है, in which year of your college do you get placements? 4 साल का कोर्स होगा, let's assume that. In which year of your college do you get placements? Somebody second year, somebody saying third year, somebody saying fourth year, somebody saying final year itself, somebody saying second final year. What is second final year? I don't know. The answer to this question is actually second year. Big tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon hire in the second year of colleges. They don't hire in third and fourth year. First of all, you guys don't even know that. Google, Microsoft, Amazon hire students in the second year of their college. They don't hire students in third and fourth year. You guys don't even know this. This is the problem that is happening with the current students in colleges. I don't know why. Is your professors not teaching you guys this? Is your seniors not telling you guys this? What is happening, guys? What is happening right away? I'm not able to understand this, guys. I'm not able to understand. This is basic knowledge. This is something that you guys should have known. Like, you should have told me this. It is not something that I should be telling you guys about. Can you guys let me know why do you guys like? Are you guys not like? I'm not able to understand this, guys. Okay, so let me tell you guys this. First of all, companies spend a lot of money to hire students. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं है कि you guys are going to get the chance to even sit in an interview for Google. Being very frank about it. Being very frank about it, guys, companies spend a lot of money to just select students to give an interview as well. I am an interviewer. Okay, I get paid almost $150 to take up one interview. That is how much I get paid. I'm telling you guys this. I'm telling you guys this so that you guys are able to understand what happens behind the scenes. Okay, to take up one interview, I, as an interviewer, a company will be paying me $150 to take up their interview. Okay, so if my own company is interviewing candidates, they will pay me $150 per interview itself. That is how much an interviewer gets paid. Now the first person that I'm going to get interview, I'm not going to select them, right? I'm going to take up a lot of different interviews. So company spends a lot of money as well taking up interviews. So they don't give everybody a chance like आ जाओ भैया आ जाओ सबका इंटरव्यू ले लेंगे आ जाओ तुम्हारा CGPA 9 है आ जाओ तुम्हारा भी इंटरव्यू ले लेंगे okay your CGPA is 10 आ जाओ let's take up your interview as well. It does not happen like that. It does not happen like that. There is a filtering round to select students to take up interviews as well. That filtering round is an online coding round. Now, this is true for every company, no matter what, whether it be TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, whether it be companies like Oracle, whether it be companies like Jio, Samsung, Fastnell, whether it be companies like Google, Microsoft, Atlassian, any company that is there, that is an MNC, multinational company, does not give you a chance for an interview directly. No company does that. It will take up an online coding round. In this online coding round, it will be a total data structures and algorithms round. You will get 2 to 3 coding questions that you will have to solve in 60 to 90 minutes. If you are able to solve that, if you are able to solve that, you are able to compete with the other students. Based upon your ranking, you get selected for an interview. Otherwise, not. No company right now gives direct interviews. No company gives direct interviews anymore for an internship or for a placement as well. No company does that because they have to spend a lot of money taking up interviews. Even in this online coding round as well, they get charged by these platforms to take up the interviews. Okay, being very frank about it, so that too they don't give everybody the chance to sit for the online coding round. Okay, right now they give because the charges are very less and it saves them a lot of money. But yeah, that is how it happens. Okay, so how to first study for this online coding round. There are two free platforms that I'm going to tell you guys right now. Two free. Fucking if anybody pays for any platform to study for this online coding round, I'm going to come to your college and kick your asses. Okay, these are two free platforms, and I'm going to tell you why I'm telling you guys about these two platforms only. Okay, there is a reason behind it as well. Look at these two platforms. These will help you prepare for your online coding rounds very easily and to a very good extent as well. Okay, the first round, the first particular platform that I'll be telling you guys about is Leet Code. LEETCODE, Leet Code, guys. This is the best platform to prepare data structures and algorithms for. It can teach you data structures and algorithms. It can help you practice data structures and algorithms. It is the best platform. It has a paid feature, but if anybody pays for it, I'm going to come to your college and beat your asses. It's a free platform. Use it for free. Okay? Why this platform? Companies like Samsung, companies like Amazon, companies like JP Morgan and Chase give their questions in the online coding rounds directly from this platform. Directly. They don't even change any questions. They don't even change questions, guys. I have placed more than 100 of students in just Amazon. And I'm telling you guys this, they give direct questions from lead code. So if you are preparing properly from lead code itself, you will able to ace the online coding round easily, easily for these type of companies itself. Now, if you are good at lead code, if you have solved like some around 300, 400 questions from lead code itself, you are getting better at lead code. Do not expect that मैं पहला दिन जाएगा and I will just solve all the questions right over there. No, that is not going to happen. It's going to take you 2-3 months to start getting better at it. It's like a year-long process. It is not like I will just study for 1-2 months, I'll form the basics, and then I'm going to solve all the questions. It does not happen like that. It takes a lot of time. My first question, I was able to solve it on my own after 6 months of practice. I was very slow. Okay, I'm not like you guys. You guys are very fast. You guys are actually very intelligent. So you guys might be able to do it much more quicker than me. I was very slow. I was a dumb bitch. Okay, I was not able to do questions properly as well. But yeah, it has solutions. It has your guidance, everything. There's a very good community right over there that will help you guys out. Very good platform to practice from. Now, if you're getting good, like after 6-8 months of practice, you're getting good at lead code, then the second platform that I will be suggesting you guys is going to be Code Chef. This is the second platform that I'm going to suggest to you guys. Again, completely free of cost. Please do not pay for the platform. It is free of cost. It has good questions, good practice itself. As you're able to see, DSA and everything is there. And the best part about this platform is that if you're doing from this platform, companies like Microsoft, Goldman Sachs, Oracle takes up questions directly from CodeChef, directly in their interviews. In their online coding round, as well as in the interviews, they take up questions directly from CodeChef itself. So if Microsoft is your aim, then you can directly go with CodeChef, but I usually suggest go with Lead Code first and then CodeChef. Now, if you have done both of them and your aim is Google, you're getting better at both of them, you're getting good at both of them, and your aim is like a 60 lakh package, okay, 60-70 lakh package itself in companies like Google or Atlassian, or one more company is there, I forgot the name. It starts with I. So these companies give a package of like 60-70 lakh rupees per annum. So if that is your aim and you're getting good at Lead Code and CodeChef, only after that, the last platform that you need to practice from is Code Forces. This is shit. What happened right over there? Is code this particular platform, Code Forces. This is the platform. If you directly go to this platform and start practicing, you will leave coding in its entirety. This is the toughest platform that is out there. ऐसे ही नहीं लोगों का 60-70 lakhs का पैकेज लगता है, उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. So if you guys want to get that kind of package, the point will be Lead Code, then then Code Chef, and then Code Forces. That will be the progression that you will have to do. Again, a free platform to practice and learn from. You don't have to pay anything for this. Okay. Now, what if I am about any other platform, guys? If you're talking about Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank, okay, Geek for Geeks. If you don't want placements, these platforms have very easy questions. They are never going to come in your online coding rounds or in the interviews itself. Questions like that is not going to be asked. Okay. These platforms are platforms from where companies copy questions from. These are your standard platform that I've told you guys about. Do not go with any other platforms. These are free platforms to practice from. These are the platforms that you need to practice from at the end of the day. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please do let me know. Your friends are not working at Google. I am. So I'm letting you guys know how to practice. Do not go with Hacker Earth, Hacker Rank. These are all shit platforms. If you want to just gain self-confidence itself, you can practice from these platforms. You're not going to get placements. You're only going to get confidence. That's it. Okay. The next thing that is there is, what if I'm not good at DSA and CP? I'm not good at DSA. होता है. ठीक है, I am also not good at DSA. I hate DSA like anything. But I still learn, because even right now, if I want to switch my jobs, I have to still learn DSA. ठीक है. What if I don't want to learn DSA, but I want a placement? Okay, that is, see, my job is to let you guys know all the different pathways that are there. It is your job to decide whether you want to work on them or you want to leave them. That my job is just to guide you guys. After that, it is your job if you want to go on that road or you don't want to go into that road and you want to get into the jungle itself. That is up to you guys. Data structures and algorithms, that is DSA. Okay. So next particular question that I'm going to have, very simple, is what if I don't like DSA? I'm not good at DSA. I don't like. What is DSA? Don't ask me. That means you are under like the water. You are at 10 feet under the ground right now if you don't know what is DSA. So just start learning then. Okay, DSA is important for placements if you want to get into good companies. Now, what if I'm not good at DSA? I'm not able to learn DSA. What to do at that point of time? Then you don't have a lot of different options. You can't go in AI. You can't go in data science field. You cannot go into machine learning field. Okay, these fields require DSA. Without DSA, no company is going to hire you. No company. How much good you are at you are at AI, how much good you are at data science, no company is going to hire you. You cannot go for cybersecurity or ethical hacking. You cannot go for any other fields. The only field that you can go further with for placements and internships without data structures and algorithms is full stack web development. Not front end, not back end, not DevOps, not cloud computing, only full stack web development. Are you guys able to understand this? Full stack web development basically means front end, back end, DevOps, and cloud computing. All of them together. All of them together. Are you guys able to understand this? And with that as well, you cannot get an aim that I'm going to get into an MNC. nahi. Startup join karoge tum log. You're going to get a very good package. Usually in web development, without data structures and algorithms, the average package is 18 lakhs per annum. The average package is 18 lakhs per annum. It's a very good package. And companies don't give a fuck about what you are doing in college. You are doing CSE, you are doing mechanical, you are doing civil, you are doing BBA, you are doing BCA, you are doing MCA, you are doing maritime engineering, merchant navy. Let me tell you guys something. I had two students of my own, maritime engineering and merchant navy. That is what they were doing. Right now, they are working as front end React engineers in Amazon at a package of 34 and 36 lakhs per annum. Companies don't give a fuck about what is your background if you are good at full stack. Okay, so for full stack web development, you need very good projects. For example, the current project that we are doing right now, Amazon Clone, right? So this is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Amazon Clone, very basic. Okay, this is not a very good project. Okay, a good project that will be there is a full stack clone of Amazon. That is front end built in React.js, back end built in MongoDB, Express, Node.js, deployed on Amazon, that is AWS itself. You are using DevOps so that you are able to orchestrate the entire web app so that even if 1 million people are coming to your cloned Amazon, it will not crash, it will not fail you, it will not hang. That is the kind of project that the companies are looking forward to. If you are building such type of projects, you will be easily be able to get placements as well as internships. That is the reason why I love full stack development. That is the only reason why I love full stack development, because it is evergreen. How many of you guys have this particular thing in your mind that, oh, is AI going to take over full stack development or something like that? Like, is AI going to take over web development or some shit like that? How many of you guys have that in mind? So can you tell me experience letter is important or not? Very important. Very, very important. How many of you guys have this in your mind that AI is going to take over web development? If you think that web development is basically making just a landing page itself, then you don't even know what is web development. Go and first start learning web development itself. AI is one of the things that can never replace web development because of how complicated it is. Web development is not just creating a website, the back end of it, the cloud computing portion, the integration with different kind of technologies. AI is not going to do that. AI can help you. That is all that it can do. How to create the architecture, how to do all these things. AI can't do that. So that is the reason why full stack development is so much in demand. So much in demand, but the quality people are not there. So hiring is always there at a very good package. And companies don't see which college you are from, what you are posting. They only see your skill set. That is the reason why I love web development. I just love it. Okay. Now some questions I will be answering. I'm interested to do UI UX design. What should I get a job in that field? See, you are interested to do UI UX design because of your interest or because of you don't like coding? Because I've seen people, I'm interested in UI UX design, and then I see their projects and their portfolio. It's shit. It's literally shit. You can't become a UI UX designer like that. Does gap year matter if you're good at full stack? No, not at all. Companies don't care about anything. Which is important or necessary, linear or non-linear DSA to learn? You have to learn both of them. There's no option right over there. Okay. So can we learn directly from lead code if you don't know anything about DSA? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. That is the reason why I told you guys about this. ठीक है सर एबिलिट स्टार्ट में फर्स्ट वर्क नहीं कर रहा था और देन इट वाज शोइंग टू गेट सम प्रीमियम और समथिंग नो दैट इज नॉट द केस हिमांशी आई एम यूजिंग द फ्री वर्जन itself. Even I'm using the free version. Is college matter if you are choosing full stack development? Then no, it does not matter. So my college is taught me DSA in C. You have just wasted your time, and I'm much more confident in it. I have to learn DSA with C++. Guys, please try to understand this. If you're learning data structures and algorithms, you have to do either in C++ or in Java. No other programming language. No other programming language, guys. Not Python, not JavaScript, not C. Either C++ or Java. No other programming language. Should we buy courses for DSA? My thought process is you should never buy courses. That is my thought process. Even DevTown has a course, as a training and internship program. But I usually tell the students that course is only necessary when you are actually getting something out of it. If you're not getting anything out of it, then you have lead code. You can go and learn from lead code. You can go and learn from YouTube as well. If you're just buying a course to learn a particular topic, then you're actually wasting your money. You have everything available for free on YouTube. You have everything available for free on websites itself. Don't buy a course for just learning. If you're able to get something out of it, then buy something. That will be my suggestion. Okay. So what if we have skills but not certificates? It does not matter. Certificates are not important. Skills are important. So percentage of 12th and 12th really matters to get a job? Not at all. Nobody asks for that. Okay. Best platform to learn aptitude. Just go and search for aptitude. That's it. Aptitude questions to practice and just start practicing it. It is as simple as that. You don't need any platform to do it. Okay. So is full stack development best or is DSA? If you want to get placed into very big companies, then DSA with full stack development is important. If you just want a placement, then go further with full stack. Okay. YouTube channels for DSA with C++, go to YouTube, search for it. As simple as that. Okay. What should I do to get into cybersecurity? Data structures, algorithms, and projects in cybersecurity. Simple as that. A little bit of full stack backend will be very important. Our teacher told us to buy DSA with C language, show him the middle finger and move on with your life. Do not listen to him once again in your entire life itself. College placement is 20K per month. Okay, being very frank, the person who comes and work at my house, I give him 34K per month. So think about it. Okay, do we have to have AI ML specialization with CSE? Is it good to have? No, it does not make any sense. Okay, you learn all that. Like, see, please try to understand. Your college is not going to teach you anything that is necessary to get placements. Your college is going to just waste your time. You have to learn everything on your own. Please make sure of that. So, what about data scientist? If you have, see, okay, for those students who are interested, how many of you guys are interested in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning? These are the kind of things that you guys are interested in. How many of you guys are interested in these type of stuff, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys are interested in AI, data science, machine learning? Please let me know, guys. A lot of students are interested in that. Data scientist, data analyst, data engineer. If you guys are interested in that, stop being interested right now itself. Okay? The number of job opportunities are huge in these fields. The people who are studying these fields are also a lot of people. So companies don't pay a lot, first of all, in these fields. Most of the companies will pay you between 3 lakh rupees per annum to 6 lakh rupees per annum itself in these fields. Secondly, if you are not from a very good college, companies are not going to hire you in data science. You are going to remain jobless no matter how good you are at it. Because most of the people don't do DSA properly. That is the reason I'm telling this. If you are very good at, you are able to be very good at DSA, you are able to be very good at data science, then choose data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, all this. Otherwise, stay away from it. If you are not from a good college, if you are from a good college which has good placements in your college, then definitely just choose DSA with data science. You will get amazing placements. You will get amazing placements itself. Robotics and automation core job, very few right now. Very few right now. Which language of DSA is best, C++ or Java? How did you manage your college with personal study? I had very less GPA in college, so I didn't give a fuck about what was going on in college itself. I used to just copy the journals from my friends who used to complete it, and I just used to study one day before the exam. Jitna aaya, aaya, nahi aaya, maach hota hai. That was my particular code in college itself. So for those students who are interested in data, see guys, I have been in as a data analyst. I've worked as a data analyst in Reliance. I've worked as a data scientist in Geo. I've worked as a machine learning engineer in Google itself. I was not from a very good college, but I was able to get that. So if you can also do the same. You, even if you are not from very good college, you can actually be very good and get into very good companies in data science field itself. First of all, there is no AI field, there is no machine learning field. So, okay, so I'm telling you guys this because you guys don't know about these things. There's no AI field, there is no machine learning field, nothing. There's only one field, data science. There's no other field. There is no other field, guys. I don't know who is teaching you guys all this. That AI में बहुत job है. भोसड़ी वाले AI करके कोई है ही नहीं चीज. It is a data science field itself. AI is a tool under data science. It is basically saying that I am building a house. Okay, I am saying I am building a house, and you guys are saying I am screwing in things. Building a house by screwing in things is just one particular thing that you are doing. There are a lot of different things that you have to do in building a house itself. Okay, so there is just one field called as data science. So you will have to be very good at DSA as well as data science to get placements in it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. CGPA matters for placements. If you are from a very good college, then it matters. If you're not from a good college, it does not matter. I had 6.7 CGPA. Okay. Sir, MNC companies recruit from first year. So what people like me in MCA have chances to get into MNCs? Guys, it is in second year, first of all. Okay. So please try to understand this. How do companies recruit? In the second year, they will offer you a 2 months internship. If you are able to grab that 2 months internship, your chance of getting selected for the placement is the highest. Is the highest, guys. Is the highest. Okay. In the third year, there's a 6 months internship. Very few companies offer 6 months internship. But if you are able to grab that, then also your placement chances are highest. These big companies usually don't offer direct placements. No company does. Either you have to apply for those 2 months internship or those 6 months internship. These are the only two times when you're going to get placements. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. So, what is the future of cybersecurity? यार देखो, at DevTown we run placement. We have our own placement cell. At DevTown we have our own placement cell itself. I'll give you a few numbers so that you guys are able to understand something. In data science, we have a 98% placement ratio. 98% placement ratio. We have placed more than 3,500 students in data science up till this point of time. Okay. In data science, the lowest placement that we have ever received is 9.1 lakhs per annum. And the highest placement that we have received in data science is 60 lakhs per annum. That is at Google. The average placement that we have received at data science field itself is approximately 14.5 lakh rupees per annum. It was 15, but right now it has decreased to 14.5 lakh rupees per annum. That is the average placement for data science field. Okay. For full stack development, we have seen 100% placement ratio. 100% placement ratio. The lowest placement in full stack that we have received until this point of time is 12 lakh rupees per annum. So 11 point something, approximately 12 lakh rupees per annum. The highest placement that we have seen in full stack is 48 lakh rupees per annum. The average placement in full stack is 18 lakh rupees per annum. For cyber security, the placement ratio is 82%. For cyber security and ethical hacking, the placement ratio is 82%. The lowest placement that we have got is 4.5 lakh rupees per annum in cybersecurity. The highest placement that we have got is 28 lakh rupees for cybersecurity. And the average package that we have got is 9.8 lakh rupees per annum. That are the numbers for your all the three branches. Somebody is asking, is app development good? If you are an idiot, you're going to do an app development. App development has died in the past 6 years. Now nobody hires app developers. They hire cross-platform mobile application developer. There's nothing called as app development anymore, guys. You are not in 2016 anymore. You're in 2024. Right now, we call them as cross-platform mobile application developer. For those who are interested in app development, this is for you guys. There's nothing called as app development anymore. It is cross-platform mobile application development, okay, or developer. These people are full stack engineers who have learned React, backend, DevOps, cloud computing, as well as React Native. Using React Native, they are able to build Android apps, iOS apps, WebOS apps, WatchOS apps, TV apps, AR, VR apps, anything that they want. So app development is nothing. You have to still learn full stack development and then React Native to become cross-platform mobile application developers. Okay. Is that clear with everybody, guys? Please let me know. Okay. Guys, I know you guys are having a lot of questions. I'm trying to generalize and answer all of your questions itself. DSA, cover DSA course for beginning to starters. See, I'm going to have a bootcamp on data structures and algorithms if you guys want. Do you guys want a bootcamp on data structures and algorithms? Please let me know. Do you guys want a data structures and algorithms bootcamp, guys? If you guys want a data structures and algorithms, maybe after completing front end, back end, DevOps and cloud computing, okay, I will have a DSA bootcamp as well so that you guys are able to get some basic idea about DSA if you guys want. Will that be fine for everybody, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine for everybody, guys? Please let me know. Is MERN stack good? Guys, please try to understand this. Just MERN stack is not sufficient. You will have to do cloud computing and DevOps as well. Okay. Okay, now the question is how to get like internships in our second year or third year or something like that. That is the question that I'm going to answer right now. How many of you guys don't have a LinkedIn account? Please let me know. How many of you guys don't have a LinkedIn account, guys? Please let me know. How many of you guys don't have a LinkedIn account? Please let me know. Don't have a LinkedIn account, guys. Why is there a problem? Like I can bet on this that even though you guys don't have a LinkedIn account, you guys must have a particular this particular account itself, Instagram account or some shit. I can bet upon that. Guys, first of all, create a LinkedIn account. I got my both the internships, I got my placements, I got 90% of my interview opportunities as well through LinkedIn. Through LinkedIn itself, guys. Please, please, please create a LinkedIn account and maintain it. Guys, do not keep your LinkedIn account as like हाँ है भाई ये हेलमेट रखा हुआ है ना यहाँ पे. I have this helmet. It is kept right over here, right? So you are also keeping your LinkedIn account like that, just keeping the helmet on the table itself. Don't be like that. Maintain your LinkedIn account. Put a good professional looking put picture, okay, a banner, okay, a proper bio for yourself. Connect to talent recruiters. Go to companies that you guys are interested in, no matter how small, no matter how big. Connect with senior software engineers, talent recruiters from those companies on a daily basis. Okay, you are currently building the Amazon clone. भैया थोड़ा पानी दीजिएगा ना. You're currently building the Amazon clone. Post it on LinkedIn. Do not post that I learned to build it on a bootcamp. Don't do that. Okay, nobody likes it. Showcase it on LinkedIn that you are currently working upon it. Okay, you yourself have taken up this particular project. You are building this project right now. What are the new things that you are learning while building the project? Put up the final project right over there as a post that this is my Amazon clone. Please do give me a review on this. How can I improve this particular clone itself? Slowly and steadily, because you guys are connecting with talent recruiters, people, you are practicing upon lead code. Post it on daily basis. Today I solved this particular question. This is what I've learned right over there. This will showcase the talent recruiters that you are continuously coding, you're continuously learning. They will send you opportunities directly. They will directly send you the opportunities itself. This is not show off. This is actually brain, which you don't have. This RKY does not has that brain. This is how you actually manipulate them to actually sending you opportunities. You applying to different places not going to get you opportunities. Them sending you guys the exam link or something is going to get you guys the opportunities. Connect with startup founders. Connect with people who are starting their businesses. They will start approaching you. They will see, okay, you are developing very good websites. They will give you projects to work upon itself. That is how you get your first internship. That is how I got my first internship at Reliance Industries. That is how you have to do it. If you're not uploading on daily basis, upload it on 2-3 days. Every 2-3 days, upload it right over there. But send connection request daily. Send connection request daily, guys. Daily, without fail. It takes 5 minutes to do that. 5 minutes. Give time daily to LinkedIn. That is going to get you very good opportunities itself, guys. Very good opportunities. I got my both the internships, even placement from LinkedIn. I'm not afraid to say that. I'm not that guy that I was so intelligent, I got it. Nahi. I had to work my ass off to get it. That is how you have to maintain LinkedIn. Secondly, connect with people. You're connecting with a particular hiring manager, send them your resume. Ask them that if there is any openings available. Okay, ask them if there is anything that they would like to see getting changed on your resume so that it gets better chances to get into companies. They will themselves let you know what to change. These are the people who are currently hiring. They will themselves let you know that okay, try to put these type of projects in your resume. Try to change this. Your wordings are not right. Try to increase your wordings. Try to change your wordings, etc. They will let you know. You send this message to 100 people, you will get one opportunity. One opportunity guaranteed. So that is how you have to do. Your certificates don't matter. Your certificates don't matter at all, guys. You need to remember that. Arre bhaiya. Thank you so much. Are you guys able to understand this? Is market good for game developers? Absolutely not. If you are in India, absolutely not. Absolutely not. You will just be wasting your time. You can learn game development as a hobby, but not as a career. What about J Spiders? They don't get any placements. I hired people from J Spiders itself for just like calling task. So that is very, very shit. Okay. And I'm not kidding about it. If you guys want to see, I will even show it to you guys. Give me a second. I will show it to you guys itself. This is something that we have worked our asses off to achieve. More than 10,000 placements in the last few years. 10,000 placements. Let me show it to you guys. These are some of our students from just the previous batch that we have currently placed. We have placed people into Deloitte, Lowell's, Accenture. We have placed people into Cognizant, JP Morgan and Chase. So he got the 1 month guaranteed internship in JP Morgan and Chase itself. Sony, Warner Brothers, Wipro, Samsung R&D. We have people in TCS, Samsung Herman. Then we have people in Wipro, Cash Free Payments, TCS, Cisco, Jindal Steel. Then you have people in Amazon, DXC Technologies, Infosys, Amazon, HSBC, IBM, PwC, Samsung, Visa. Then you have Capgemini, Reliance Industries, Manhattan Associates. You have people in ShareChat, Daily Works, HP. You have people in Samsung. You have people in IBM, Reliance Geo, Gamma Analytics, Deloitte, Oracle, Gemini Solutions, Barclays. We have one international placement. This is not through us. We didn't get him this placement, but he studied under us. We got him a placement, but he got into NASA, so he's currently working at NASA itself. He previously interned with ISRO through us, so that was something that we got him. BCGX, Kelton Tech. Then we have people in HP. So many companies, as you're able to see. Yulu, and ENY, okay, Ernst and Young, British Telecom, Accenture, Amazon, Netcracker, Samsung, IBM, Honeywell, Amdes. You are having Accenture, Deloitte. Then you're having people in Microsoft, Gap Inc., then ISRO once again. ISRO is a big hire, like it hires a lot of people from us itself. Then Amazon, Samsung, Geo, Flipkart, Oracle, Barclays, Walmart, Deutsche Bank, Fidelity Inc., DigiHealth, Cognizant, CasePoint, TCS, Qatar Airways, Infosys, L&T, Deloitte, and many other companies as well, guys. Many other companies. So I'm not kidding when I'm saying this, that this actually works. This has worked for so many different students throughout the entire country. Follow this, guys. Just don't enroll anywhere. Don't enroll anywhere, guys. Make sure you are having a LinkedIn account. You're maintaining your LinkedIn account. Make sure you are trying to practice data structures and algorithms. Try it for 2-3 months. 2-3 months itself, not for a very long period of time. 2-3 months, try to do that. Okay. Along with that, if you start with full stack development or data science or cybersecurity, ethical hacking, start with that as well. Create some projects, post it up on LinkedIn, connect with people, ask them what they want to get changed in your resume. Do it for 1 year. I can give you in a written guarantee. I can get you in a written guarantee that you will be able to get a very good placement. I can give you in a written guarantee itself that you will be able to get a very good placement. All these students were my own students itself. All these students are somebody that I have personally taught them DSA, I personally taught them C++, Java, I personally taught them the entirety of full stack development, data science itself. So yeah, these are my own students, but I can give you in a written guarantee that if you are following what I am telling you guys right now, you will be able to get great placements. Game development is good for which country? China. China has very good game developing like centers itself. So you will be able to get studios itself. How many of you guys will at least try to do it? What about quantum computing? If you're from IIT Bombay, then talk to me. Otherwise, just forget about it. Companies don't hire from outside from IIT Bombay. Even in IIT Bombay, they only hire from CSE for quantum computing, not from anybody, any place else. One student got hired from IIT Madras from CSE, so that is true. How many of you guys will try that from today onwards? How many of you guys are going to try that from today onwards itself? I'm going to let you know exactly what to study as well. You don't have to worry about it. So this is what we make our students study. This is what we make our students study itself. Start with the basics. Okay, start with the basics itself. Start with something like C++, okay, or Java. Choose one of these programming languages. These are our instructors that are there in like DevTown. These are the people who actually teach our students. For example, data structures and algorithms is taught to them by Ritik Kumar, who is currently a Microsoft software engineer at Microsoft itself and a world ranking 100 on both CodeChef as well as Codeforces. World ranking 100. So he's the one who teaches competitive programming, that is how to solve questions in exams as fast as possible. What are the tips and tricks for doing that? He teaches them that. Then we are having Ritik Kumar and then Ravit Kumar. Ravit Kumar is my senior at Google. I was an SDE 1. We joined together. He's right now in SDE 2 at Google. And Ravit Kumar is the one who teaches data structures and algorithms to our candidates, to our students itself. Then for our full stack data science, we have people from Google, McKinsey and Company, Morgan Stanley, American Express, Sony, Goldman Sachs, Stealth and Moving, HP, Porsche, Oracle, Walmart, Infosys, L&T. These are the people who actually teach our students all these topics. So start with the basics, guys. Start with one particular programming language like C++. Do not spend more than 7 days learning a programming language. If you are spending any more than 7 days learning a programming language, you are wasting your time. Programming languages are not that important. Only 2 programming languages, more than sufficient for getting you placements. More than sufficient. If you are studying 3 programming languages, you just wasted your time. If you are giving more than 7 days learning a programming language, again you have wasted your time. You only need to have 7 days, learn C++ from any YouTube channel. 7 hours C++, okay, search on YouTube, you will get thousands of videos. Just learn from any one of them. Once you do that, then you need to go get started with data structures and algorithms itself. So introduction to programming in C++, mathematics, bit manipulation, all these topics, you can do it from Lead Code. It is completely available for free. Practice as many questions as possible itself from Lead Code and then give some tests on Lead Code itself. For web development, you need to start from the basics. Okay, HTTP, HTTPS, HTML, CSS, Git, GitHub version control, responsive designs with CSS, grid and box layout, Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap CSS, JavaScript ES6. Create some small projects, for example, the Amazon clone. For example, what we make our students do is like basic portfolio website or like a book, like a Zomato clone using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Amazon clone using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Hotstar clone using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, then Tailwind CSS, then Bootstrap CSS. So that is how you form your basics. This is not going to get you any internships, any placements, nothing. This is just the basics. You have to do it because it's the basics. Okay. Then go further with front-end web development with React.js. These are the topics that come under React.js itself, as you are able to see on your screen. Here you have to do some small projects first. For example, what we make our students do is like a note-taking application, okay, a calculator application itself, their personal portfolio website done using React.js itself. These are the type of small projects that you have to do. Then for major project in React, you have to make, for example, we make our students do 2 projects. A front-end clone of Zomato, the Zomato app that you guys are using every single day to order food from your nearby restaurants, right? So the exact same clone of that app using React Native, and the exact same clone of Book My Show application that you guys are using to book your movie tickets. The entire clone, every single page clone using React JS. That is the two projects that we make our students work upon. Every single project is done by the instructor in the class itself in front of the students, so that they don't have any problem. Every line of code is explained to them. Then you go towards backend development. These are the topics that you need to do in backend development, guys. Here again, some small projects, recipe API, okay, then note taking application API itself, some small projects you have to do to understand the concepts itself. Then you make the backend for the Zomato clone that you made. The Zomato app that you guys made, right? Front end app. Make the Zomato, the backend clone for that. That has all the features of Zomato. Then make the backend clone for the Book My Show application that you created. These are the two backend clones that we make during our classes. Then we make sure that students know how to integrate the front end with the backend. That is very important at the end of the day. It is also something that you guys need to learn, how to integrate the front end and back end together. Then you go towards your cloud computing and DevOps. If anybody was planning to do just cloud computing or just DevOps, you're not going to get any internships or placements. Keep that in mind. Companies do not hire anymore for those. They want full stack developers only. Okay, so DevOps and cloud computing go hand in hand. You cannot do one without the other. So cloud computing, we choose AWS because every company uses AWS itself. And if you know AWS, you know other things. And for DevOps, you go with Docker, containers, CI/CD, GitHub version control, Kubernetes. These are the topics that you need to do. So the Zomato clone and the Book My Show clone that you guys created, front end and back end, we deploy it on Amazon. We orchestrate it using DevOps so that even if 1 million people are using your app, it won't hang, it won't crash. That is the level of projects that we make our students do. Data structures, so they start with the basics, C++, Java, then data structures and algorithms, then the entirety of full stack development. That is what you guys need to do, and this is very simple. You guys will easily be able to do it. You guys will easily be able to do it. Are you guys able to understand this or not? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this or not? Please let me know, guys. RKYT, you need to understand every single language has the same concepts. You just need to learn the grammar. You're not learning anything new right over there. 7 days is more than enough for learning a programming language. And then you don't have to know the entire thing about everything in the programming language. You just need to know how to use it. Then you can go further with data structures and algorithms. There you are continuously practicing and knowing more about the programming language. Don't waste time learning programming languages, guys. Don't waste time, guys. Please. I'm letting you go know this right now itself. Don't waste time learning programming languages. So I want to go to US for work. Or what should I do? Do not go right now. Right now, US does not has any placements. If you go there, you will be stuck. You will be wasting a lot of time and money. Right now, first get a job in India. Try to go for a service-based industry so that they only send you to US. Okay. The next thing that you have to do after this. Okay. So this is done, right? You are able to do this. Now, what do we do differently for our students? This is simple. This is very easy right over there. What do we do for our students itself? So for our students, what we have done is we have collaborated with more than 38 different companies. We have collaborated with more than 38 different companies to offer our students a once in a lifetime opportunity that is a guaranteed internship with the company of the students, of the students choosing itself. The student chooses which company they want to do an internship with. We arrange a guarantee of that internship with that company. We have more than 38 companies right now. Let me show you guys this particular companies itself. No interviews, no examination, nothing right over there. Direct internship with the company. And the best part is, if the student does well during the internship, they get a stipend. They also get a placement directly in that company. Stipend as well as placement. For example, you're having companies, for example, full stack development. We have companies like Amazon, Cognizant, Commonwealth Bank, Datacom, Deloitte, EA. So that is also for those game developers out there. Okay. Goldman Sachs, HP, Infosys, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Quantum, Skyscanner, Walmart, Y Combinator, Telstra, all these companies offer a guaranteed 1 month internship for our students. And if the student is able to do well during that 1 month, they directly get a stipend. So, for example, Amazon gets a stipend, I think so, of 65,000 rupees. Goldman Sachs is the second highest at 70, and the highest is at JP Morgan and Chase at 85,000 rupees per month. That is the stipend that the students get, and then a placement after that. For data science, we are having companies like Accenture. So this is for the data scientist program. We're having companies like Accenture, Boston Consulting Group, British Airways, Cognizant, GE Aerospace, KPMG, PwC, Quantum, SAP, and Tata. So that is TCS. These are the companies that offer us for data scientist. And for our last, that is cybersecurity and ethical hacking, we have companies like AIG, ANZ, that is Australia and New Zealand Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, MasterCard, PwC, and Telstra. So we basically train, like the student does not even know what is programming. We start from right over there. We train them in C++, Java, data structures and algorithms. We train them in the thing of their choosing, whether it be cybersecurity, whether it be data scientist, whether it be full stack development. We train them in that. Then we give them the chance of selecting which company they want to do an internship at. You only let me know. Just think about this. How much you guys are paying to your college? And can the college guarantee you an internship at Goldman Sachs? Can the college guarantee you an internship at JP Morgan and Chase? Can your college guarantee you an internship at Amazon? Can it do that? Just go to your college tomorrow and ask your professor that I'm paying you right now. I don't know how much. Like when I was in college, I used to pay somewhere. My tuition fees was very less. So it was around like 70,000 rupees per semester or 60,000 rupees. That is the 1.5 lakh rupees per year that I was paying to my college itself. So I'm paying 1.5 lakh rupees to my college for 4 years. That is like almost how much? 6 lakh rupees. So I'm paying 6 lakh rupees to my college. Can I get a guarantee of an internship? Go and ask them this. The reason why we are able to guarantee this to our students is because of one thing, because we teach them what the companies tell us. The companies come to us and let us know that this is what we want from a candidate, and that is what we train our students in. And that is what we give to our particular company. And that is the reason why the company gives them this. Now, the aim for that was a little bit different early on. We wanted our students to get the entirety of the things. Yes, we give them skills, we give them the knowledge that they want, but we wanted them to get the experience as well. So initially, we used to give them like a 3 months internship certificate from DevTown, an offer letter from DevTown. Okay, we used to give them this, but that was not enough. DevTown is not a very well-known company. It's not as if like we are Google, right? That people will see, oh, DevTown's internship karke aaja meri company mein. That is not going to happen, right? But still, it meant a little bit that they have done an internship at a small company. So we talked to our students who got placed into various different companies. We talked to them that talk to your companies, tell them that you have come from DevTown itself, let them know that the quality of the students are good right over here. And that is how we got these companies to sign up for giving our students one chance. We told them, do not waste so much money in taking up interviews. Do not waste so much money into selecting students. Let us do that for you. We will train them. We'll train them in everything that you guys want. We will get them to the level that you want. Give them just one chance. Let them work for 1 month with your company, just one chance itself. Let them prove it to you that they are the best candidates for you. And if you feel that, give them the placement. It will save the companies a fuck ton of money itself, and it helps the students as well. It helps us because our students get the placement. That is the reason why in full stack development we have 100% placement. In data science we have 98% placement itself. Cybersecurity we have 82% placement because companies don't hire a lot for cybersecurity, but we are still trying for that. That is what we do right over here at DevTown. Now, because we have to pay the instructors who are currently taking up the classes, because these instructors come to the classes every single day, sit with you guys for 3 hours, teach you guys right over there, solve your doubts. We have to pay them something because after their office hours, they basically take up the classes. We take up one batch of only 25 students to keep the batch size low so that we are able to, like, each of the instructor is able to focus upon the candidate itself. So we have to pay them something. The training goes on for 3 to 4 months. The first 3 to 4 months is continuously training every single day, except Sundays. Sundays is a holiday for everybody. You guys enjoy your life. Sunday is a holiday, but every single day the training happens. Every single day in the evening after 7 o'clock for 3 hours, we'll be having the training for 3 to 4 months. After that, you choose which particular date you want to start your internship at. You want to start the internship after 6 months, after 4 months, after one day as well. We let the companies know which company you have selected. They schedule your internship. You start your internship right away. That is how we usually manage the entirety of the training and internship. So there's a cost associated with the training, guys. The cost of the entirety of the training, including the internship, we don't charge anything for the internship because the companies don't charge anything from us for the internship itself, is 3,500 rupees plus GST, that is taxes. 3,500 rupees plus taxes itself. That's it. Not monthly, not weekly, nothing. Total, that is it. That is what we pay to our instructors. 3,200 something we pay to our instructors itself. 200 rupees we have to keep for organizing all the software costs and everything. So we don't charge anything as profits. We do it at cost so that you get good quality instructors from good companies itself teaching you guys this. People who have cracked Google Summer of Code, people who have worked at Google, people who have worked at McKinsey and Company. These are the people who will be teaching you guys every single day. That is the cost of the training and internship. Could you guys let me know how many of you guys would be interested in something like this, guys? Could you guys let me know how many of you guys would be interested in something like this? Could you guys let me know how many of you guys would be interested in something like this, guys? Please let me know. So this particular training and internship we started last year in 2022 December. That is the last time that we started this program. This is the second time that we are starting this program. Reason being, we only start this program if and only if the companies are hiring from us. We don't run the training program without the guarantee of the internship. Without the guarantee of the internship, we just don't run the training program. Because like I said, you can learn all this what we are teaching from YouTube as well. There's no point of enrolling into a course for that. You can learn it for free on YouTube, guys. Please don't pay money because I don't want people to waste their money. If I wanted people to waste their money, I would have kept this price as 50,000 rupees, just like every other company. You go to Scalar Academy, they charge for the same program without a guarantee, they charge 3.5 lakh rupees. At Coding Ninjas, they will charge you 45,000 rupees for the same program without the guarantee of the internship. They'll charge you 45,000 rupees itself. We charge 3.5K because we don't want profits. I'm more than happy with what I'm doing. Even if one student is enrolling into the program, I'm more than happy. Just so that I'm able to pay to the instructor takes up the class, the student is able to benefit from that. That is all, that is my aim. I don't care about anything else. So that is the reason why we have kept the program as low as possible. That is the only aim right over here. Now this time we are starting a batch, but we will not be taking in more than 17 students this time. 17, because we have a batch of 25. I've already got 8 students messaging me on Instagram that they want to join the program. So I've already booked a seat for them. We're not going to take up more than 17 students right now. We have divided the fees into 2 halves. One fee is 600 rupees, that is including taxes, to book your seat so that we are able to take your name. We are able to take in right now which particular company you are interested in and when are you planning to start the internship, so that we are able to schedule a temporary schedule with the company itself. This student will be starting at so and so date after 8 months or after 9 months as well. Along with that, then when you want to start the program, the rest of the amount, that is 3,000 rupees plus taxes, that is what you will be paying. Okay. So right now the pre-registration fees is just 500 rupees itself. We have anybody can enroll into the program. The guarantee of the internship is for everybody. That's the guarantee from the company's end. You don't have to worry if you are not able to get the internship. If you are not able to get the internship, we will refund the entire amount, including the taxes, back to you. We will refund the entire amount, including the taxes, back to you. The reason for that is because, like I said, if I'm not able to provide value to the student, I don't want them to lose money. Money is very hard to earn. It is not easy. It is not as if your father and mother is going and there is a tree and they're just plucking up money and coming to home. Money is very hard to earn. You need to know how to take care of it. If you don't respect money, money will never respect you at the end of the day. The entire internship as well as the training will be completely online itself. And if you're doing well in the internship, you will get stipend as well as a placement, PPO, right over there. I'm interested, but this is my final year of college. You can definitely enroll into the program. There is no issues whatsoever. So right now, guys, I'm going to provide you guys with the pre-registration link. The pre-registration link itself will be closed exactly after 17 students. Automatically, it will close down after 17 students have enrolled into the program. The link is like has a particular limit right over there. So for those students who want to register for the training and internship program, I provided you guys with the pre-registration right over here in the live chat. Okay, I provided you guys with the pre-registration link in the live chat itself. That is most likely your classes have not yet been started. That is the reason why. Okay, so for those students who are, how many of you guys are still interested for the training and internship? First of all, please do let me know, because after 17 students se zyada, we will not be able to take in more number of students, guys. Can you guys let me know how many of you guys are still interested in the training and internship, guys? Please let me know. So how about this? If I get an internship and really earned anything applicable in the real life jobs and placements for higher package, I'll pay you the double. What do you say? No issues. You pay me. Then also, no issues in that. You pay me 10 times of that amount. No issues in that. Once you enroll into the program, okay, you learn everything properly, you do everything properly, you pay me 10 more times. There's no issue. I will happily take in your money. I'm doing this at cost so that I am not getting anything out of it. I get 15,000 rupees a month from YouTube. That too is not sufficient to cover up the cost for the teams and everything. That is all that I get. 15,000 rupees, sometimes 14,000 rupees from YouTube. That too, I have to pay like 30% of that as taxes. So I get like 10,000 rupees from YouTube. That's it per month. That is all that I get. So for those students who are interested in the training and internship, guys, I provided you guys with the pre-registration link in the live chat. After the 17 students have enrolled into the program, we will not be able to take in anybody in. Okay. I will be one of your mentors in the program as well. I will be taking up the DevOps portion as well as the deep learning portion. So that is what I usually teach. That is my strong points, and that I believe is my strong points. Like maybe just being very clear about it. So I take up these two topics because I love them and I love to teach them as well. And I feel that I'm good at it. Like I said, guys, for those students who are interested in the training and internship, please do complete your pre-registration right now. We will not be able to take in more than 12 students. Sorry, 17 students right now. I don't know how many seats are there. 12 people have already pre-registered for the program, guys. 12 students have already pre-registered for the program. I'll just take up their names. Saril Jain, Noel Riji. I'm very sorry, guys, if I'm butchering any of the names. I'm not good at it. Okay. Ayush Dardvedi, Pankaj Gop, Sonika Fogart, Himanshi Sharma, Karthik Shyam, Oji. Nice name. Ashutosh Jaiswal, Manshi Shukla, Dinesh Sonavane, Sai Tejasvi, Tamanna, Mr. Reddy. Okay, I'm not able to pronounce the name, so I've just said Mr. Reddy right over there because I don't want to butcher their name. So, like I said, guys, these are the students who have already pre-registered right now. Like I said, 12 students have already pre-registered, so we are only having 5 more seats available right now. We are having 5 more seats available right now. After that, we will not be able to take in any more candidates. So for those students who want to enroll into the program, please do complete your pre-registration right now. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I will be providing you guys the attendance in the next 5 minutes. You don't have to worry. Sir, I'm after 10th Polytechnic student. May I get the internship? Absolutely, yes. I'm interested but can't enroll because I'm from Pakistan. We get students from Pakistan as well, but using this link, you will not be able to enroll. We get students from all over the world. We get students from US, UK, Spain. I had one student from Russia. He was great. But right now, I'm not able to take in any students from Russia. We have students from Pakistan joining our classes. You guys are really very lovely. But I don't know why you guys are mostly interested in full stack development and cybersecurity. I'm usually very like concerned with that. But yeah. So just message me on Instagram and I will help you guys out. Okay. For international students, if you guys are having any kind of questions or I will help you guys out. Can you name those candidates who are done with the registration and payment? So yes, Mrs. Fogart, I have read your name. I have actually read your name, so you don't have to worry. When is the next batch? We don't know. It can be after 1 year. It can be never as well. It basically depends upon the company, right? If the company likes the students that we are giving them, if the company likes the quality, if we are able to save money for them, then only they will come back to us once again. So this might be your last chance of getting this particular opportunity. Do not miss upon this opportunity, guys. Like I said, for those students who are interested in the training and internship program, we only have 5 more seats available right now. So I've taken this course last year. Am I eligible now also? Like I said, if you have taken up the course, you are eligible at any particular point of time. Whenever we are providing this particular program, you can still right now complete your particular thing. Like I said, guys, we are only having 5 more seats available. After that, we'll not be able to take in any more candidates. Okay, I will be providing you guys the attendance right now. For those candidates who are having any kind of questions or queries, I'm still here. You guys can ask me those questions and queries as well. I'll help you guys out. Today's attendance, you don't have to fill it up in 5 minutes. Fill it up properly itself. Okay. If you guys have any questions or queries, I'm here for you guys. Can I do internship in first year? Students who actually get into good companies are actually join us in their first year itself, because they get much more time to actually hone their skills. So if you are in your first year, it is actually very good that you are joining in your first year itself. So I'm in 11. My final exam is tomorrow. Papers of physics. Congratulations. My physics was my favorite topic. So I loved physics. I loved physics. I hated chemistry. Organic chemistry, I could piss on it. Like I hated it that much. I hated organic chemistry. Like I still hate it. Okay, I'm going to provide you guys with the attendance link right now. In the same message, I will be providing the attendance link as well. So please see the particular message carefully. Okay, so I have provided both the attendance link as well as the pre-registration link in the same message. Okay, when will the training start? You can start the training like in 3 days as well. That is up to you guys. We have a batch starting every 5 days because we are already in collaboration with some of the colleges. So we have to start a batch for them. That is the reason why we run batches like this. So I provided you guys with a pre-registration link as well as a particular attendance. If a person does only DSA, will he get a job? If you're from a very good college, then yes. If you're not from a very good college, then no. I love chemistry. I hate it. Okay. Geeta, definitely I'll just check it once again. Okay. So my friend says college matters for placement or good income. If you are not preparing properly, then yes. If you're preparing properly, then no. If you are preparing properly, no matter what college you are from, no matter what you are studying, it does not matter. The attendance link as well as the pre-registration link, both are in the same message, guys. Please do check it out properly. And if you guys have any questions or queries related to the training and internship, I'm open for them. Okay, I will help you guys out with the same. Okay, if you are having any questions related to the training and internship, Nicholas, please check it correctly. The attendance is also there in the same message. Please check it correctly. The attendance is there, guys. This attendance starts from scratch. Even if you don't know what is programming, will start from there. So you don't have to worry about it. 7 days is enough to learn programming language from scratch for a beginner. More than enough. More than. If you're giving 1.5 hours every single day. Okay. Rudrani, if you think that this was time pass today was the most important day throughout the entire boot camp. Most important day. Because learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript is very simple. But what to do to get a placement, that is very difficult and nobody is going to tell you guys that. So when will international students can enroll? We keep some particular seats for international students separately, but you don't have to worry about that. Okay, can I get start the batch after 15 days? You can definitely, but please complete your pre-registration. Okay, Sakshi, there are other students who have done their pre-registration right now. Sakshi Pawar has done her pre-registration, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so I'm in second year. How can I join Google? DSA should be very strong for you, and a little bit of data science should be great for you. Okay, the assets are there in the description of the video. Go into the description of the video. The first particular line, I put up the assets right over there, so you don't have to worry about it. When is the batch starting? You can start the batch in 3 days. That is up to you. When do you want to start the batch? C sharp is best? No, not at all. Not at all itself. Okay. How does the course actually start? The teachers teach us from the basics? Absolutely yes. Otherwise, like, how can we expect everybody to enroll if we don't teach from the basics itself? Can I get a batch after 15 days? Coders, I'm telling you this, please complete your pre-registration today itself. You can schedule the batch after 15 days. You can schedule the batch after 1 month as well. That is up to you. We never like will stop you. 1-2 days will be here and there, but not more than that. Timings of the classes will be in the evening after 7 o'clock. Okay, after 7 o'clock itself. Guys, those who are still, how many of you guys are still interested in the training and internship, guys? The 3 training and internships, guys: data scientist, full stack development, and cyber security. These are the 3 choices that you will be having. Okay, all of them, DSA CP will be compulsory. You will have to do it. How many of you guys are still interested in the training and internship, guys? Please let me know. Those who are interested, please do complete your pre-registration, guys, because I don't know how many seats are remaining. I'll have to check. Because once the seats are over, even I will not be able to help you guys out because we don't have enough instructors. Our instructors are already allotted to some of the colleges. We have like collaborated with some of the colleges and we have to teach them as well. So they are already allotted right over there. So we'll not be able to help you guys out with it. So if you're still interested in the training and internship, please make sure that you are able to complete your pre-registration right now. Please complete your pre-registration right now. The pre-registration amount is just 600 rupees. We have made sure that the pre-registration amount is low so that you guys are not facing any kind of like issues with that. So I'm interested, but my exams will finish after May month. No issues in that. You can complete your registration right now itself. You can so once you complete your registration, you will get a particular counselor allotted to you. You can let the counselor know that you want to start after the month of May. He will just schedule that for you. You don't have to worry about that. But if you try to enroll in the month of May and if we don't have seats available, we'll not be able to take you in. Okay. What should I do? MCA or job after BCA? Just do a job after BCA. Even after MCA, you will have to study the exact same things that you have to study now to get the exact same job. You're actually just wasting time and money right over there. Okay. Internship is online, offline. The entire internship as well as the training will be completely online. Timings of the classes will be in the evening after 7 o'clock. Okay. Timings of the classes will be in the evening after 7 o'clock. How much time should I dedicate to internship per day? As much as possible. If you are selecting a particular company to do an internship at, you should be allotting as much as time as possible, guys. That is not a joke. You're actually interning with a company. Your job depends upon it. Like I said, guys, so have you collaborated with SRM University? No. These colleges don't. So we actually talked to SRM about a collaboration itself. They said to us that, okay, we'll do a particular collaboration at 3,500. You give us 2,000 rupees out of it. You keep 1,500. We said, what the fuck? We are doing it at cost. We can't do this. So we basically just said no to them. Does this internship require any kind of prerequisites? Not at all. The training requires no type of internship. Are the internships virtual? The internship will be completely online, so you don't have to worry about it. Completely online itself. Work from home. Okay. So once you have enrolled into the training and internship, guys, you will be allotted an instructors. For those guys who have filled up their attendance, who are not interested in the training and internship, you guys can leave the class. Like the class is actually over, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. For those who are interested, please make sure that you guys are able to complete your pre-registration as soon as possible. The complete cost of the entire training and internship is 3,500 rupees plus taxes, which includes the pre-registration fees. Which includes the pre-registration fees, so you don't have to worry about it. Those students who are still interested in the training and internship after completing my course, whom to contact? Ronak, just contact support at devtown.in. Just contact support at devtown.in. They will help you guys out. RKMVC, I'm not very sure of it. If your college is in collaboration, they would have let you know. So can I schedule the internship whenever I am completed the training? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes itself. So right now, guys, we are having 3 more seats that are currently available. After those 3 more seats, we will not be able to take in any more candidates. So if you are ever interested, please do complete your pre-registration right now. If you are interested, please do complete your pre-registration right now, guys, because we are only having 3 more seats that are currently available. After that, we will not be able to take in any more students. There is a lot of things that is happening in my college. That's why I can't take the internship right now. I'm really interested, but RKYT, please try to understand this. It is not necessary to take a part in the internship and training program. Please try to understand this. It is not necessary. Everything that I've told you, you can do it on your own. I have full confidence in you. Actually, in you in particular, I have full confidence. Because see, people who are witty, they're very smart as well. That is something that I've understood with time. I'm not that smart. I'm not witty. I'm not smart. I get angry on small things. I'm not that smart. I'm hardworking. That is different. I'm hardworking. I can bust my ass off for months and years and nothing will happen to me. My health will go down, but nothing will happen to me. I will be fine. But people who are witty are actually smart. You can actually use your brain to actually do everything on your own as well. I'm very proud of you guys. Really, I'm very proud of you guys. You have no idea how proud I am. Have some confidence in yourself. The training and internship program is something that, because I didn't had that when I was in college. If I had that, I would have done anything to get that guidance, to get that support, to get that opportunities. But I didn't. I had to bust my ass off to get everything. And I did. I did. I reached. But I thought that when I went into Google, I saw people working, I saw people coming from various different places. I understood one thing, that if we are guiding people right, if we provide them the right opportunities, they can do anything. They can do anything. And that is what my aim is with this particular program. So are you collaborating with help you guys? See, you guys have to like bring us to collaborate with your college. Even if we try, we can't. These are very big colleges. They will not accept it. What happens is students go to colleges, they talk to the colleges, they convince the colleges to collaborate with us, and then we enter into it. Okay. So for those students who are interested in the training and internship program, please do complete your pre-registration. Okay, 3 more seats are currently available. I'm studying cybersecurity with data science. Is it good for placement? Yeah, it is, but you need to have good projects. Okay. So think about that as well. So last 3 seats are available, guys. Please do complete your pre-registration as soon as possible for those students who are interested in the training and internship. We'll meet on tomorrow's class and we'll continue with our project from right over there. What should I do? MCA or job after BCA? Rinku, like I've already said, job after BCA. Okay. We'll meet in our tomorrow's class and we'll continue from right over there, guys. Thank you so much, guys. The attendance link as well as the pre-registration link, both are there in the live chat itself. Both are there in the live chat. For those who are interested in the training and internship, please make sure that you guys are able to complete it as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. We will connect tomorrow and we'll continue with our project. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.